High in the cradle of an ancient valley stood a lone mountain, wrapped in mist and silence. At its base lived a small, slender tree named Lira. She was not like the tall pines or mighty oaks. She was young, delicate, and often swayed with the gentlest breeze. Yet her roots dug deep into the soil, quietly holding on through seasons of storm, snow, and scorching sun. One autumn, a fierce wind began to sweep through the valley. Day after day, it howled and twisted, ripping leaves from branches, bending even the strongest trees. Lira trembled, her slender trunk creaking with each gust. The other trees mocked her. "You're too weak," they said. "You'll fall before winter." But Lira didn't respond. She simply breathed with the wind, bent without breaking, and listened to the rhythm of nature. Each night she whispered to the stars, "I will endure." Months passed. When the wind finally calmed, silence returned. Many trees had snapped or splintered, but Lira still stood, taller, stronger, her roots deeper than ever. Travelers passing through the valley began to notice her. "Look at that little tree," they said. "It survived the storm." And though she said nothing, Lira felt a quiet strength rising through her trunk. The mountain watched in stillness and smiled. Moral: not all power roars. Some power grows slowly, calmly, deeply, like roots in the earth. True endurance doesn't shout. It listens, bends, and holds on until the storm passes and the calm reveals your strength.